everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out KKW at Ulta Beauty, like you guys can see from the title of this video. So obviously Kim Kardashian has a makeup line called KKW Beauty. Obviously I'm pretty sure you know she named it after herself. I think we all know that. So yeah, so I'm going to be trying out some of her lip products. I've honestly been wanting to try them out for like the longest time ever since they launched. I think they launched back in like June or July or something of this year in 2019. So I'm really excited to try these out. And recently, I think it was around October, she launched KKW Beauty inside of Ulta. So I got to obviously go in and swatch some products and just really pick out stuff that I wanted to try out. But I personally wanted to try out one of her very first launches that she ever did, which was lipsticks and lip liners. So this is a part of her like nude collection of lip products. So I have a ton of products here that I want to try out. I only got 3 and 3 of each of the lipstick and lip liners to try out, and they do retail for, the lip liners I do believe retail for $12 and the lipsticks do retail for $18. So I'm really excited to try these out, and obviously stay tuned to the end of the video to find out which one I'm wearing right now, which I honestly fell in love with. I actually really do like the one I'm wearing. So, but there was a mess up in this video, like the very first one that I tried. So stay tuned to find out which one that is. I also have another video where I review her SKIMS cotton collection. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave it linked down below. I reviewed her SKIMS cotton collection like I said, and I do have a video on that. So I'll have everything linked down below to other videos you guys might want to watch. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload here on my channel. And also follow me down below on my social media. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys are interested in seeing what KKW Beauty is all about, then please keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off this review obviously. So I have my bag here, and I went to Ulta the other day. I think we were like 3 days ago, I don't even remember. But I went and I picked up some KKW Beauty lip products. As you guys can see, I only picked up 3 of each. I picked up 3 lipsticks and 3 lip liners to try out. I am so excited for this, you guys. I've honestly been wanting to get my hands on KKW Beauty for like the longest time now, but honestly I just never like was able to. And then finally when when Kim announced on her Instagram that she was going to go ahead and put KKW Beauty in Ulta, I was so excited. And I remember I was outside that day, but I didn't grab anything. I just wanted to like see it in person. But this time around I obviously grabbed some items. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what I got, and obviously do a full-on review for you guys today. I have nothing on my lips right now. Obviously all my makeup is done except like my lips obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and share the lip liners that I got. So I only got 3 as I mentioned, and I know she originally came out, I was going like on the KKW Beauty Instagram, I know that Kim originally came out with only like a certain shade range of lip liners, and then she added some on, and I actually picked up the ones that she added on. She had like a 0, like a 1, 2, 3, and then she added like, for example, 0.5, 2.5, 1.5, and those are the ones that I got today. So I got 0.5, which is right here, 1.5, and 2.5. Obviously gonna be doing close-ups of everything so you guys can see all of the items that I got. So these are the lip liners, and for lipsticks I obviously got KKW Beauty in the shades Nude 1, Nude 2, and Nude 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on my lips. So I don't know what to do with what yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of see what I want to do with what. So first I'm gonna go ahead and take Nude 0.5, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I haven't even opened these up yet, so I'm really excited to see these for the very first time along with you guys. So this one is obviously 0.5, and this is what it looks like. I love her design, like with the packaging and stuff. It's just very like simple, minimalistic and nude, and it's just super nice. So this is the very first one. So this right here is 0.5, and I'm going to go ahead and actually try this on. So I'm going to go ahead and take a mirror and go ahead and do this. So right off the bat, as you guys can see, this is actually really light, like a really light like pink color. And honestly, I think this specific shade that I'm using right now, which is 0.5 Nude, I think this is definitely for way lighter skin tones, obviously. I am very tan, and honestly I think I saw that the most common lip combo that Kim was using like all throughout her Instagram when she would like do the promo for her products, I saw that she would use a lot of I think it was Nude Lip Liner 1 and along with the cream lipstick in number 2. I will say this is actually really creamy. It really does glide on the lips. You don't have to like really like push out the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and now do the cream lipstick number 1, Nude 1, along with this lip liner to see what it would look like. So this is so pretty. I really love the packaging that she did for this. I've never actually seen anyone do this. So it's just obviously like crystal, not crystal, but it's like this like really pretty like plastic, and it's so nice. Like I feel like it looks so chic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this lipstick along with this lip liner. So as we can see, this is way too light on me. I mean I don't know what I was thinking about grabbing like the lightest shade. This is so freaking light on me. It's like creamy and nice. Like the formula is so nice, but this is definitely not my color. I need to immediately take this off, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to like really like make it look nice at least. So obviously this is way too light on me. I need to go ahead and do another one because this is like peach pink. This is definitely not my shade. It's a really nice formula, but this is not my shade at all. But it is really moisturizing, I will say that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and try another one on. But I wanted to be this, I'm not, but I wanted to that. But I wanted this video to obviously be real, so I'm gonna go ahead and try another one on. So obviously lip liner Nude 0.5 and Nude 1 are for a very light pale skin tone, I think, with mostly like a pink undertone. That's kind of how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and try another lip combo out to find my nude. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1.5 now lip liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this one. So right off the bat for the lip liner in 1.5, I actually really do like this one. This is usually like the type of colors I use already, so I actually really do like this one. And it's very nice, and I feel like it's really easy to like just glide on the lips and like apply. And it makes it really easy to actually like overline your lips too because it glides so easily. So those are my thoughts so far on these lip liners. And like I said, I actually really do like this color. Like this is usually the type of color that I would gravitate for. So now for lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and do Nude 2 to see if this one will go with this one. Hopefully it works this time. Obviously, as you guys saw in the previous clip, it didn't work out so much. So this is what this one looks like, obviously, and this one is more of like a really like light peach color, almost similar to the other one now that I think about it. So I really do hope this works out. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. So this lip combo is so much better, you guys. It is not as like a peach tone as the last one that I tried on. I actually really do like this one. And you guys, these are so nice and creamy. Oh my god, yeah. So I actually really do like this one, you guys. This is definitely more of a perfect nude for me, since obviously these are like nude lipsticks, you know, and lip liners. This, I feel like this is actually a really nice combo for me. Like, this is definitely something that I would personally wear like every day, like, because usually honestly this, like, the lip combo that I wear like in most of my videos, it's honestly like the same thing. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but because I really, whenever I like something, it's like what I stick to. So this is actually really, really nice. I feel like it's perfect. So now I just have one more to try out, obviously, but this is like really, really nice. So again, this one is the nude lipstick in number 2, Nude 2, which isn't surprising to me, to be completely honest, because like I told you guys, I feel like in most of Kim's like Instagram and like her, you know, like her promo for her lip products, I feel like she kept like saying, oh, and this is Kim and wearing like lip liner so and so, and then Nude 2. Like, I feel like for all of her like lip combos, she would wear the nude lipstick in number 2. So I'm not surprised because I am pretty tan, so this one honestly suits me, I feel like, perfectly, to be completely honest. And I actually really do like this one. It's really nice, it's really creamy, it's not drying at all. I honestly, one of the main reasons why I personally don't even like buy lipsticks is because I personally don't like that like dry feeling. So even like with my personal like nude, not nude, but like nude-ish like lip combo every day that I wear, and usually most of my videos you guys will see me wearing gloss, because I just hate having like a really matte lip. I feel like it's really drying, or maybe it's just me because I haven't personally found like a good like a matte lipstick or lip, you know, lip something that isn't really, really matte to the point where I feel like my lips are just so dry, especially like now in the winter. This is really, really nice. It's really moisturizing, it stays on, and I feel like it looks really good on. And I will say though, one thing is I feel like I do have to apply a certain bit in order to get like coverage in a way, because like you guys see, if like obviously you just do like one sheer swipe, then it's like kind of like translucent in a way, like you're gonna be able to see like your lip. But if you really want like a nice matte full like pouty look, then obviously you do have to like really go in with the lip liner and the lipstick in order to get like your like your perfect like lip combo. And so that's honestly what I usually do for like most of my like lip products. It's what I'll do. It's like I'll really go in with like the lip liner and the lipstick in order for it to look nice, obviously, and full and everything. So I actually really do like this one. I'm surprised that I actually like this one, because obviously, as you guys saw the last one, it wasn't my shade at all, but this one definitely is, and I really do like this. I feel like this is actually perfect for everyday wear. So yeah, this is what this one looks like, and obviously I will test it throughout the day and see if it lasts, and maybe I'll update you guys on another video. But yeah, this one, I actually really do like this one. So again, this is lipstick in Nude 2, and along with the lip liner in Nude 1.5. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other lip product, or shall I say lip shade. So now I'm going to go ahead and try out Nude 2.5 lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this one. So this one is definitely a darker color. I can already see it just by looking at it. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this one. As you guys can see, this one is a dark like brown almost, which is really nice. I actually usually do like to use darker colors, especially because I feel like it makes your lips look bigger if you like line them with a darker color and then you blend it out with like a lighter lipstick or lip color. So as you guys can see, this is obviously the darkest of the three. This is Nude 2.5 again. So now I'm going to go ahead and do Nude 3, which I can imagine is probably darker than the last one. And you guys, I can't get over her packaging. It's so cute. So this one definitely looks a lot darker than the last two, obviously, because it is up a number. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this one. So since obviously you guys can really see the outline right now, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out so that you can't see it as much. And I know a lot of people really like to use like lip brushes actually to like blend their lip products out, but I feel like personally my finger is just the best way to go sometimes. So this is what this one looks like, and as you guys can see, this is definitely like a darker lip combo, but I really do like it actually. I feel like it is dark enough, and blending it out, I feel like I could blend it out a little bit more, especially at the top, so you guys can't really, so that you know you can't really see like the lip liner, like you can't really see like where I line my lips, so that it all like really blends out. But overall, this is so nice. This is usually what I do, like I told you guys, like I'll do like a darker lip liner and then I'll go in with like a lighter like lipstick or lip color, so that this, you know, can really, I feel like this is honestly what makes like your lips look big, whenever like you line them with like a darker color and then you go in with like a lighter color. So this is actually really nice as well. I actually really do like this combo. I really like the second one that I did, but I feel like this one is also really, really nice. But I feel like this was definitely more of like if you like want your lips to look bigger. So again, this is lip liner nude 2.5, and this is the lipstick in number 3, nude 3. So this is the last combo that I tried out for you guys. Again, I really do love all of her lip products. They are super duper duper nice and pigmented and really creamy, which is like the best part honestly, especially for like the winter time. I feel like, because it is, you know, approaching winter. It doesn't really get cold here where I live, but still, like I just all year round I like a gloss. So this is definitely really, really nice, and it's not drying at all. So I really like what Kim did there. I feel like this is actually really, really nice. So yeah, this is the final lip combo that I am trying out for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I showed you guys, these are her products, and I really do love this last one that I tried out, which is, I believe, nude lipstick number 3. Oh yeah, nude 3. And I actually really do like this one with the lip liner, and I also really like the second one. Obviously the first one didn't go so well, as you guys could see in this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would like to see my other Kim Kardashian review of her SKIMS cotton collection, then I will have a link down below for you guys to click on and watch that video if you would like. And also I'll have links to my other videos if you guys want to stick around and watch some more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also leave a comment down below if you have ever tried KKW Beauty. I want to know what you guys have tried out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.